So, my sources tell me says a blue car in my drive today.
No, it's a white cam drive yesterday, Lisa.
It is a blue car.
It's a white car.
A blue, I know the license
No,
plate.
it's a white car.
Eric, listen. There are some things you need to understand when it comes down to investigative journalism, right?
Yes, Lisa.
Stay alert.
Yes, Lisa.
Keep the camera rolling at all times.
Yes, Lisa.
And stay at a certain distance where you can catch the shot.
Yes, Lisa.
Eric, you not have to say yes, Lisa, for everything, you know?
Yes, Lisa. Let me understand, Lisa.
You're a professional cameraman and you them choose to send for the assignment. Come reverse the format.
Yes, Lisa. Yes.
When we see him, we're going to run up to him and I'm going to introduce myself. Hello, I'm Lisa Lip Service from Chat to Me TV.
And I'm Erickson Zoom, the cameraman.
Eric, what you do?
Introduce myself.
And the first assignment you have upon?
Yes, Lisa.
The cameraman don't introduce himself, just the program host. You understand that?
Someone don't know me.
In at the end of the program, in at the credits, you ever see cameraman introduce himself yet?
No, Lisa.
God, why me? Just turn on the camera and get ready.
Yes, Lee.
If you say yes, Lisa, one more time. You record?
It's him turn on the camera, not record.
Turn on the camera different from recording.
Oh, yeah.
Eric, turn on the camera. Come. Minister Wallace. Lisa Lip Service from Chat to Me TV.
I'm Erickson Zoom, the cameraman. Oh, sorry. Lisa, what is this about? Why are you here?
Is it true that you are being accused of threatening Alfred Lindo, a farmer and a businessman of a Kingston address?
Who?
Alfred Lindo. They call him Numbers.
I don't recall being associated with any Alfred Linda, anybody of that name, but what is you, man? Don't stop push up the camera in my face, man.
Minister, are you saying that you don't know the man that sent out the video on IG saying that a politician accused him and threatened him and sent police to his business place to harass him?
I have no comment, and I'm very disappointed with you. I thought you were a professional. So why didn't you make a proper appointment with my office so we could have a decent interview?
I've been doing this for weeks, Minister. No response.
And could you tell this cameraman, Miss Lip Service, to stop pushing the camera in my face?
Eric, step back. Minister.
I have nothing else to say to you. And I know this is a violation of my rights. And I will be taking it up with your company. So you better start looking for a job.
One last question, Minister. Is it true that you are presently involved with the manager of Jamming on the Oasis by the name of Patrice Saunders?
That's my personal business.
Are you divorced from your wife, Michelle, sir?
Well, look, Miss Lip Service, listen to me. My wife is deceased, and I don't want you to call her name in your mouth at all, in any shape or form. As a matter of fact, I'm going to ask the security to escort you off this compound, and you are done.
Is that a threat, Minister Wallace?
Take it all you want. Leave the premises.
Eric, come. Are you Patrice Saunders from Jamming on the Oasis?
No comment.
Is it true that you're dating Marcus Wallace?
No comment.
Miss Saunders, can I get an hello?
She never got to talk to you.
No, but we get all our we come for. You have that, right? Eric, tell me say you have all of that.
You only time I turn on the camera. I say press record.
Eric, me gonna kill you. Me gonna kill you, Eric.
Makita. Yeah, I'm on location. Which number again you said? Yeah, I have the keys. Alright. Makita, the camera is disabled? Alright. Let's hope this works.